Hey Hudson and Lad, how's it going, turkey boys? I'm up here at Dodo's house and I have to go do some work on the tractor. Do you guys want to watch Dodo do some work on the tractor? Okay, let's do it. I got to go outside and go to the tractor and then I'm going to start it up and show it to you. Okay? Okay. Okay, this is the way to Dodo's tractor. Back through the trees. Let's go. Here we go. Do you see Dodo's tractor back there? You see Dodo's orange tractor? Oh, there it is. Okay, there's Dodo's tractor. Here's the key. I'm going to start it up, okay? Here we go. We're driving Dodo's tractor. I still have the mower on the back. Do you see that mower? There we go. We got to go mow some grass and then we might have to dig a hole. Do you want to go with me? Okay, let's go. Okay, there's the lake at Dodo's house. Do you see all that water? It's kind of windy right now at Dodo's house. There's some big waves out in the lake. You see the wind going across all the water? Hudson, this is where you were throwing rocks in the water. Do you remember that? You would pick up a rock and throw it in the water right there. I'm gonna put a picture in the video so that maybe you'll remember it, okay? Okay, let's go. We're almost there. Do you see my foot? If I push down, then it'll go forward. And if I push this, then it goes backwards. Forward, up the hill we go. I need to kind of dig a little bit here. I need to flatten this out and kind of mow it down a little bit to put a platform here because Gigi wants to put a bench so that when you guys are playing in the water, Dodo and Gigi can sit on that bench and then watch you guys play in the water. Like go out on the boats and go like jumping off the dock and having fun. Do you want to go on one of the boats with Gigi? Okay, cool. We'll do that when you guys come to Dodo's house. The first thing we have to do is, do you see that big rock right there? There's a few big rocks and we got to get those rocks out first, okay? So Dodo's got to dig that rock out. You want to watch Dodo dig the rock out? Okay, here we go. Did you see me get the rock out? All right, good job. We have to get these rocks out so that the mower doesn't hit them. Okay, do you see those two rocks? 1, 2. Let's see if we can get those out of there, okay? Oh, we got it. It's a big one. Okay, now I'm gonna turn the tractor around and I'm gonna mow that grass down, okay? All right, let's do it. I hit a big rock, oh no! It's okay. This lawnmower is really tough, so it can hit a few rocks. I just want to get that, I want to mow that last little bit of grass right there. Do you see it? Okay, you see that part that I mowed? So I wanted to mow this so that we can kind of flatten it out a little bit. And this is kind of the highest part of the whole lake. It's the highest point. It's called Gigi's Point. That's what they call it. I don't know why, but this is Gigi's Point. Now we're gonna smooth it out and then probably put like a bench or something right here. Okay, let's turn the tractor off. All right. What do you think? Did we make that a little flatter? Yeah, it's a little bit better. Now we have a spot to put a bench on Gigi's point. Is that pretty cool? Did you like watching the tractor? Yeah, it's pretty fun to do, isn't it? Do you want to watch Dodo drive all the way back? Okay, just a second. Okay, time to put the tractor away. Gotta load it into the tractor garage. See how you back it up like that? Just gotta make sure you don't run into anything. And put the mower down. That's about as far as we can go. Then you put the front loader down. And then it's ready to be turned off. Okay, well, we're all done with the tractor. We did the job that we needed to do. So that'll be it for today. And then next time we'll do some more work on the tractor, okay? All right, see you guys later.